How to talk about project issues, tip number 12. Say what you will do or change to make sure the issue doesn't happen again. Now, when an issue occurs in our projects, the first focus is usually to fix it or stop whatever's causing the problem and then address the consequences and impacts from the issue. But that's not all we should do. We should also focus on what caused the issue and what can be done to stop it happening again. If you have a future project that's similar, you don't want to have the same issue. If there are other things going on at your work that may have the same problem, you don't want those people, teams, or projects to have the same problem that you did. You want to help them avoid it. Now, if you don't do this, other people are likely to suffer the same consequences as you have, or your next piece of work may have the same issue again. So what do you say, and how do you make it clear what's going to happen to stop the issue happening again? Well, say what you're going to do about it in your conversation. After you've described the issue, after you've described the consequences, and here's how we're going to address it right now, take the extra step and say, here's what we're going to do to stop this happening again. And if you have an idea or a plan, briefly describe it. And if you don't have an idea or know what to do about it, that's a great opportunity to ask for help. Say, hi, this happened, we know why it happened, but I'm not sure how to prevent it happening again. Is there something that you can suggest? Can you help me solve this? So when you are talking about issues and project issues, make sure you say what you're going to do to prevent the issue happening again.